What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys live with another video. Before I even jump into this whole thing, and just wait, at the middle of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some epic stuff. But first of all, we got the man, the myth, the absolute legend, Mr. Bryson behind the camera. Go give him the follow. And as always, I like that punch thing we got going on. That's sick, bro. And as always, go follow the man, the myth, the absolute legend, Mr. Austin Lewis, the Austin Lewis on Instagram, guys. Connect with me. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys an updated office tour. We moved into a new office. I'm showing you guys the office. It is not completed, it is not done. Stay tuned, we'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna be showing to you guys now is actually our old office. It was the old legacy office. This office, we were in here actually for 6 months. And then obviously we just literally outgrew the office, and so we moved into our new office. So the old office is what I'm gonna show you guys right now. It might be a little bit dark, but at least you guys will have an idea. And I'll tell you guys a story inside of it here. A little bit more about this office, what we accomplished in this office, and then obviously why we ended up moving to our new office. So stay tuned. Paul. I like when it says Paul. As you guys can see in this video, is a video of our old office. You know, this office is 600 square feet. We moved into here last December, you know, heading into 2019. December 3rd was actually our move-in day. And this office, we accomplished a lot of things. And in these pictures, obviously you guys can see, this is of our old office right when we moved in. And you know, a lot of the things that we accomplished is, you know, insane things. Paying out affiliates hundreds of thousands of dollars for our legacy company. You know, starting different YouTube channels, starting different businesses like the Capital ATMs. It's been actually insane. And Austin and I literally looked at each other one day and we were like, man, you know, we need to upgrade. We need to move into an office that's a little bit larger, that obviously can hold more of our employees, that can hold more of our people. And you know, Austin and I kind of looked at each other and we said, well, where are we gonna do that? One, we had the opportunity to buy a building. Two, we had the opportunity to potentially move into a larger space here at the Optima. There was a guy that actually was getting out of his current lease, and so what we did is we literally just bought him out. And I'm gonna run you guys through this entire office, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so here is our current office right now. Again, like I said, we literally just moved in here a couple months ago. We're actually selling all of the furniture that we ended up having to actually buy. And obviously we're selling it because we want to put in our own personal touches. We want to put in our artwork. We want to put in the Iconic. So Iconic, see this video, send us some artwork, and then obviously we want to modernize the office. And so, you know, right now we're going to throw you guys just literally a bunch of B-roll. This office is almost 5,000 square feet. We actually have something going live at the beginning of January. Going into the new year, that people have absolutely no idea. They have no idea what's happening. They have no idea what's going on. It's currently being built inside our office as we speak. We just got some added glass into this, and I'm not even gonna share with you guys what it is, how it is. I'm gonna let you guys think about it. It is something Austin and Austin are gonna be doing. It is something Austin and my partner are gonna be doing. It is absolutely insane. This office has changed the game. I can't wait to personalize it. I can't wait to add our own art. I can't wait to add the modern furniture. I can't wait to make it just an absolute insane vibe. And so every single person that you guys see inside of here, obviously, one, works for a legacy. Two, they work for Capital ATMs. Or three, they work for our real estate company, but mainly our marketing company. So that's what you guys will see in the video. You know, we have a Christmas tree in here right now because Austin and I love Christmas. That's what it is. I want to say we moved into here May, June, July, August. We moved into here October. Moved into here in September. So 2 months ago. It is insane to see what we've done just over a course of a year. Most people underestimate what they can do in 2 to 3 years, but overestimate what they can do in 1 year. And this is a freaking proven fact. So here, we're gonna dive into the office. I'm gonna show you guys an office tour. Again, it is under construction, so do not judge. I just wanna mainly show you guys the spot, show you guys what's possible, right? If you keep your head down and you keep working every single day, this is a tour of the office. You know, it's been kind of crazy to see just like the journey. I mean, I remember, you know, when I was just starting a legacy, I remember when I was working at home inside my room at my own little freaking desk. And you know, starting a legacy, getting it to $10,000 a month in less than 60 days, and moving into the penthouse, moving from the penthouse into our first office, you know, then obviously into an almost 5,000 square foot office is Honestly, it's crazy. It really is. You know, and what you guys see now, or what you guys are seeing obviously in this entire thing is not what it's going to be in the next 6 months. So we'll have to do an updated office tour. The reason we'll have to do an updated office tour is because, again, like I said, it's not going to look like this at the end of the, within the next 6 months. We're going to add our own art. We're going to add walls, take down walls, add our own touchings. We got this office for quite some time, and so we're going to kind of just make it our own. Again, like I said, we bought the artwork, and so, we're gonna sell all of the artwork and replace it with new artwork, motivational stuff on, devotionals and a bunch of other stuff, because Austin and I are a man of God. But it's just gonna be an amazing vibe, to see that where our companies are at now and where they're growing to, and a lot of the haters and a lot of people that think that they can go do it by themselves, God bless those people. I was them too. I used to be a solo entrepreneur, a solopreneur. But one thing I found out is, one, you can go fast. You can go fast alone, but you can go far with people, and good people, right? I've had a lot of people come into our life and out of our lives, and again, all for the greater of good, because each different person, and most people don't realize this, is just another step to the journey. It's just another platform to the journey. It's just another added benefit to that journey. And so, just seeing what we have here, I'm extremely grateful. I'm extremely humbled, and at 24 years old, it's kind of crazy. Most people dream about offices like this. Most people dream about having what it is that we have, and most people don't even take advantage if they have the opportunity to be able to do so, to be able to have an office. Obviously, one, for tax benefits, and two, just to create a culture. Elon Musk, if you go to Facebook, if you go to Mark Zuckerberg's, if you go to Grant Cardone's, if you go to Gary Vee's, if you go to any actual corporation that has ever actually changed the world, they have an office exactly like this. And this is why I'm so excited. This is why I'm so fired up. This is why I see, what I see right now is what people didn't see in me when I was getting started in entrepreneurship. I knew that I was going to make this thing happen. I knew I didn't have another choice, another chance, and anything. There was no plan B. It was only a plan A, because in any other thing that I ever made a plan B in my entire life, it never worked. My plan A never worked. Where I'm sitting right now, most people are like, Austin, you got lucky. When all reality, people tell me right now, Austin, you are lucky. You are lucky. You are lucky. Well, the funny thing is, on Fridays and Saturdays, when they were going out, hanging with friends and things like that, and they got to spend time with their family, they got to spend time with their siblings, they got to spend time with their girlfriend, they got to spend time with their friends. Man, you're lucky. You're freaking lucky. Are you kidding me? We work 16 to 18 hours a day because we love what we do, but yet we put in the work right now because we understand short-term inconvenience for long-term stability. Most people don't actually want to put in the work, and that's why they'll never achieve anything massively great. A lot of people right now, what they see on Instagram, what they see on Facebook, what they see on social media, is they see the short-termers making a lot of money very quickly. Guess what? That's easy to do. That is easy. Anybody can go into, dude, I can go do anything tomorrow and make $100 grand. I can do anything a year, make $100 grand. Are you kidding me? That's simple. That's easy. What most people don't understand is long term. How long can you do that? $5 million a year over a decade, do the math. That's long term. Anybody can go make $5 million tomorrow. Right? Anybody can go make $5 million for 1 year. Anybody can do that. How many people can you do long term? How many people have you heard? Think about it like this. NFL athletes, basketball players, people that win the lottery, people that are music artists, people that blow up on a certain something. How long have they done it? How long have they stayed there? Most people don't hear about the people that blew up for a year. You don't hear about those people anymore. Tim Tebow. This is a perfect example. I love Tim Tebow, but nobody hears about him anymore. But guess what? He had a great 2 years. Right? That's just giving you guys an example. Anybody can do it for 2 years. Anybody can do it for a year. How many people can do it for long term? Right? I want you guys to understand my point in that. Anyways, but yeah, how many people can do it long term? And that's exactly what I see. This office is a representation of what Austin and I have done over the last couple of years, the work that we've been able to put in, the grit, the connections, the money, the everything. Most people are afraid to reinvest into their brands, reinvest into their business, reinvest into their infrastructure. And that's Austin something Austin and I have done really good at. It's just understanding that it comes from where our money comes from. It comes from the infrastructure, it comes from the people, it comes from the process, it comes from the systems. And most people don't really realize that, but yet they end up coming to realize that at a due time, right? And so, you know, honestly, I'm excited for this office. I'm fired up to see where it is in the next 6 months. I'm excited to add surround sound. I'm excited to add security cameras. I'm excited to fob the building. I'm excited to do the artwork. I'm excited to get some murals on here, having someone come paint our own mural. You know, having us, you know, obviously what we blurred out in the video, having that finished, that we're gonna launch that on January 1st. Adding in more employees, more phenomenal people to the environment. Man, don't get no better than that. I'm excited. I'm fired up. If you haven't already, go smash that subscribe button. Go smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys would like to see in future videos. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. And I've always said this, but each of us is one of us is all of us, man, and we're all gonna go freaking crush this thing. So go out there, achieve your goals and dreams. We'll see you guys in another video.